First, download PicsArt. I already have it, so I'll just click open here. Then scroll down and look for the background section. Click it and choose your preferred background. After choosing, click Tools. Then click Crop. Move it to the right and look for YouTube. Then click the check sign on the upper right part. Now I have the right size of background for my thumbnail. Next is to add some details, so I need to click this add photo here so that it will be directed as well to my gallery. After choosing the photos, click the check sign. I'd like to add more, so I need to click search to find some stuff. You may want to explore more of the buttons at the bottom and just use your creativity to create a better thumbnail. Mine is finished. Click the save symbol on the mid upper part so that it'll be saved in the phone's gallery. Next, go to YouTube Studio and click the video where you'd like to add the thumbnail to. Click this pen sign. Then click another pen. So here are the thumbnails which YouTube chose for me. However, they're not so impressive, so I made my own thumbnail. A customized thumbnail is way better because it's a way for us to entice viewers and attract or give a good impression to algorithm. Lastly, click Save. As you can see, this is a premiered video which will be rolling out on May 18th. So, see you tomorrow! Thanks for watching. Bye bye.